Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when me said it hot. It hot like a scotch body pepper. Today, guys, me have a epic prank for pull for my granddaughter. You understand me? What me I gonna do to my granddaughter today is telling her how she ugly, just for see her reaction. Because oh no, my granddaughter is pretty. She's very sweet. You understand? But I'm gonna tell her, say she wear too much makeup, and the more makeup she put on her, the ugly she is. I'm gonna find every ugly story, every ugly name when me can call her to tell her how ugly she is. But guys, remember, I know it's just a prank because she's a beautiful girl. You understand me? But we just want to see our reaction. So anyway, guys, before we get any further into this, we want you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine, so you don't miss a post when I post. And guys, let me tell you, this is gonna be juicy. You understand? But I'm not gonna tell you nothing more too much about it. You understand me? So I will get myself sorted out, set up my thing, and wait for her for come. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Anyway, guys, these people them are do some construction in the area, and them are make a lot of noise. My girl coming now. So I'm coming now. Why you can't take long, man? Oh my gosh.
I actually did not take long.
Why? You take long for ready. You know why you have to take so long for ready? You know.
So, first stop, Wendy's?
Where we are going Wendy's go do?
To get food.
I'm not go get it. Listen, you have lobster and you have brown stew lobster in there that I make, and you also have
I know, but don't you ever feel like
your granddad cook rice, cook some fresh rice, so you have that to eat.
you don't ever feel like going out to
I
eat?
do not eat them food. Them food not good for you. Them food not good for you. Them just sit in your body, and them have too much preservative in there. Too much of them no good something in them fast food there.
I actually tried at Tim Hortons. Do you like their food or no?
No, I used to. I don't eat. Oh, it's so scary eating at them fast food place, the Cyan. Honestly, you don't know what to eat.
I actually tried their burrito bowl, but I know you don't. I don't know if you like Mexican, but
No.
they have this like burrito bowl. It's actually really good. It tastes like Chipotle. It's kind of hot, but
I'm sorry. So, you spend all them time there to fix up yourself. And fixing up yourself, it does not make you look better than you was before.
what?
Anybody ever tell you that you're a very ugly? You're a very ugly girl, Cyan. And the more makeup you wear, the ugliest you get.
Nobody ever told me that. Actually, you're the first.
Well, nobody never tell you that?
No.
Well, I guess them afraid. I guess them don't want to hurt your feelings.
Maybe I just don't like how I look.
Every time I look at you, me say ugly. You're like we are one bag of ugly.
What are you talking about right now?
I'm talking about how ugly you are.
If you don't like how I look, that's your opinion.
Look on your face.
I
You're
look
ugly
just fine.
and you don't dress good.
Anyway, one thing about me wake up look good. Me wake up looking good. So I don't.
Me wake you up every morning and me I tell you don't look good. When me wake you up at morning time, girl, you are damn ugly. So honestly, me say, me sit down in the car, me I say, that ugly bunkan, she takes so long to come to the car. I mean, I don't know what she do with herself. And the more she try to look pretty, and the uglier she get.
I feel like you
so
just.
I don't know why she waste her time trying to look pretty when she done ugly already.
I feel like you just wanted to insult me because
you're ugly.
I don't know what your problem wake up on the wrong side of the
No,
bed?
I did not. I did not wake up on the wrong side. I just sit down in the car and I'm saying, my granddaughter is so ugly.
Why
And
would you
she
even say that to me?
Because you always take long for ready, and the more you take long for ready, you look the same way. You and panta for that, and I like someone you're ugly alone. You all stink too.
Grandma, are you kidding me?
You couldn't pick one. You couldn't pick one. Ugly and stink at the
Can
same
you stop?
time. If you spray burn so in the back of the
Are you smelling yourself?
No, I'm smelling you. You're ugly and stink at the same time. You should have picked one. Which one of them you want?
Grandma,
the ugly or the stink?
you're giving me like hater vibes right now.
But go and me not really want to touch you because you're ugly
Are
and
you
you're stink.
kidding me right now, Grandma?
I went on
Stop
Facebook.
it.
Wait, I went on Facebook and them have a serum. I buy a look good serum for you.
For yourself?
No, for you. This them said called look good. Is a look good vitamin C, vitamin D. It have antioxidant, everything in it. So you can use this. You can use this. You can, before you do any makeup, you put this on your face and it will give you like a brand new look. And it will just, before you put on your makeup, it will just take off all of the ugliness and you will look very, very beautiful.
Are you seriously trying to give me some witch serum now?
No, I know.
To ugly me up
look
now?
on it. No, this is going to make you more beautiful.
You know the girl from Snow White that gave the girl the evil apple? This is what you're trying to do so that my face really become ugly.
No, I'm not.
I told you, Grandma. As long as I think I look good, that's all that matters. If you don't think I look good, I'm sorry.
Well, I'm my granddaughter. Yes, my granddaughter and I love you, but honestly, you're too ugly. And,
I don't. What am I supposed to do about that?
And you can't really get beautiful if you use this serum.
If you don't like the way I look, and I'm not taking your witchcraft serum, what do you want me to do? There's nothing I can do. You want me to wear a mask in the house when I'm around
That
you?
would be good.
Oh!
Because you have two faults. You stink and you're ugly. I'm not giving the negative. Who you want telling? I better me tell you the truth more than somebody else telling me. Keep telling you.
Yeah.
I am going to always tell the truth.
Okay.
You think you're pretty, but you're not pretty. You're a very ugly child, and you've been ugly from your day you're born until now. But people keep fooling up your head so you're pretty, but you're not. You understand me? And you need to know that.
Well, you know what?
So me, I'm telling you
Not
that.
everybody is born pretty then.
I was
And
born
that's
beautiful,
okay.
and it so happened that everybody in the family beautiful. But why you have to be one bag of ugly? Why you have to be one bag of ugly?
How I look,
I do have a problem. I do have a problem, and I'm
there's
trying to
nothing
get
that
you pretty. Use
I'm
this.
not using that.
This will make you become
because you're
as a
gonna
pretty
ugly
girl.
me up.
This-
And
Why would I do that? I wouldn't ugly up. If I wouldn't waste my money and buy this fine of way to make you pretty.
I'm not ready to
You
see
understand
nobody
me?
yet.
I use it and look how pretty me is. Everybody always say, "Oh, Mama Joan beautiful." This will work for you, girl.
I'm not ready to sue anybody yet.
You're ready to sue? So where are you gonna sue?
Yeah, I'm gonna sue you because you're giving me some ugly up serum.
You
I'm gonna
can't
mess
sue
up the one in
me.
my
This
face.
is good for you. This is gonna make you pretty.
I'm not ready for that yet. I'm sorry, Grandma.
Well,
You
here,
can go on.
take it.
No. You can go and use this, but I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. Like I said, I wake up and I look good. That's all that I know.
So you tell yourself every day. I'm gonna keep telling you.
Well-
you is one ugly.
I say it enough, it'll become true for me. And it's true. It's true for me. If it's not true, everybody has their own beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. In my eye, I look beautiful. If in your eye, me not look good, then me not look good to you, and that's your problem. I don't
Boy,
know
my
what to do.
granddaughter, me don't know why you're ugly, so but I saw your band, so that's why God give you. God
Okay,
give you
can
one
you
bag
stop
of
though?
ugly. God give you one bag.
I actually did not ask for your opinion on my looks.
God gave one bag of ugly, so keep
But
it.
I
baby,
didn't
keep
ask
it.
for your
And
opinion on my
you know,
looks.
I look beautiful with my beautiful serum. That's okay. You understand
That's
me?
fine, because
Yeah.
I'm not touching that before I actually become ugly up, because no sir. I never asked for your opinion on my looks, so you can just keep it to yourself for the rest of the day. Please. This stuff messes with people, so you can't say that to people like that. But what if I said that to you?
Well,
You know
if
what? You look ugly, you know?
If you tell me you ugly at me, if you tell me you be ugly, I'm not be ugly. I'm good with
yes,
it.
you
But-
are ugly.
But you know, say it's just a prank. It's just a prank. You know how
Of
beautiful.
course, me telling me when I come, I look good. That's all I know. That's all that I need to know. But if you don't like the way I look, that you know what? That's for you.
Honey child, you're very beautiful. My granddaughter, you're very beautiful. I'm just messing with you. Just
You
to
need
see
to
how you
stop
react.
doing that stuff.
Why? It's funny.
It's not funny.
It's funny and I love it.
It's unnecessary.
It's not. Where am I gonna get my laugh from if I don't mess with you?
Watch some Facebook videos.
Well, that watch.